Hello and welcome. I am Siddharth Srivastav, and we are being joined by Varis Pathan, Senior AIMIM Leader. So thank you so much for speaking to us.
Yeah.
My first question to you is Eid is around the corner. I would like to know about your childhood memories of Eid and how do you celebrate that festival?
Yeah, Eid is always a festival where we expect the elders to give us Eid. Even now, our elders they come and give us Eid. This is a festival of joy, happiness, enjoyment. Because after 30 days of fasting, everybody goes there, wear new clothes. In the childhood also, we were very was anxious to know that okay, one day prior to Eid, अभी नए नए कपड़े आएंगे, we'll wear that new clothes and we'll go for Eid prayers. फिर घर आके सेवई शीर खुरमा खाएंगे और उसके बाद में we'll be given Eid by our elders. और शाम को हम घूमने जाएंगे सब. तो बहुत अच्छा माहौल लगता था जब भी, और अभी भी बस माहौल वही है. अब थोड़ा सा कुछ उसमें सोफिस्टिकेशन आ गया है कि हमको भी ईदी देनी पड़ रही है बच्चों को हमारे. और बट इट्स अ वेरी गुड फेस्टिवल. हमारे पूरे देश के अंदर देखिए सब आते हैं घर पे मिलने भी. अभी फिलहाल जब हमारे नॉन मुस्लिम फ्रेंड्स जो भी है सब आते हैं घर पे बैठते हैं साथ में, हमारे सेवैयाँ वगैरह सब खाते हैं, एंजॉय करते हैं ईद का फेस्टिवल. जिस तरह आप होली दिवाली एंजॉय करते हैं, ईद एंजॉय करते हैं, सब मिलजुल के हम लोग एंजॉय करते हैं.
Right. And Asaduddin Owaisi is your party's president.
या
We all know about his political stand view, but we want to know one quality of Asaduddin Owaisi that India is not aware of yet.
his fitness secret.
Okay.
That is the one quality I would rather say.
Yeah.
That India is not aware of it. That is his fitness secret. He's completely fit and all, and he's the best orator in the country today.
He was a cricketer also.
He was a cricketer. Is a he's the best orator today in the country. Nobody can beat him in the oration skills which he has, and that is called God gift also.
Right.
Fitness is fitness fit. Always every day he does the exercise, and I'm proud to have a president like him.
You're from Mumbai, sir.
Yes.
And a lot is happening around Aurangzeb right now because of a film that released last month, Chhawa. What is your point of view on Aurangzeb, sir?
See what have the Indian Muslims got to do with Aurangzeb? What he did 300 years back? But they want to, the BJP wants to rack up the issue, divert the mind of the nation from the basic issues, which they were doing since the last 30 days. What we have been seeing that the people, they've totally lost on the priorities. Nobody's asking them question about development, about employment, about the rise in the farmer society in Maharashtra, named Mumbai. So many farmers have committed suicide in Maharashtra. There is no talk in the budget session last time because of this issue which was active for Aurangzeb. Now they want to dig up the grave of Aurangzeb. See, Aurangzeb died in the year 1788, and after that 111 years the Marathas ruled. Nobody went and dug up the grave. And I am asking them a question every day. I say, if digging the grave of Aurangzeb would provide employment to the youth of the country, okay, I will go along with you and dug up. If digging the grave would influence the economy of the country, come on, let us go and do that. But no purpose will be served by doing that only for your own sake. You want to do it. That's not good for the democracy. It is a ASI protected monument. Now, but they want to divert the mind, so every day they are racking up the issue of Aurangzeb. And one Samajwadi Party MLA has given them this junjuna. Since that day, they have been starting doing this. Otherwise, what has the country, Indian Muslims, got to do with Aurangzeb 300 years old?
Right.
So we want development for the country. What he did 300 years back, no Indian Muslim is interested in that.
A little correction, I think, sir, Aurangzeb died in 1707, if I'm not wrong.
1788, I think so.
Okay, we'll check it, sir. And what is the reason behind opposing Modi, Saugate-e-Modi, sir? BJP Saugate-e-Modi.
ये बॉस, हिंदुस्तानी मुसलमान मोदी की सौगात का मोहताज नहीं है. 25 करोड़ की आबादी वालों में से आप 32 लाख लोगों को किट दे रहे हो. हमको नहीं चाहिए. किसी मुसलमान जो गैरतमंद होगा वो कभी नहीं लेगा ये. आपको अगर सौगात देने का इतना शौक है, हमारी बच्चियों को डिमांड ड्रिवन स्कॉलरशिप दो. हमारे जो मदरसों, मस्जिदों, खानकाहों के ऊपर जो आपने बुरी नज़र लगाई, जो आपने वफ़ का बिल लाया है अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल, गैर कानूनी, वो बिल को आप वापस लो. ये सौगात होगी. वरना तो हम तो देखते आ रहे हैं आपकी सौगातें बरसों से. तो अपने तो गुजरात दंगा भी देख लिया. आपकी सौगात का नतीजा था बिल्किस बानो की बलात्कारी. आज भी घूम रहे रास्ते. आज भी जकिया जाफरी बेचारी इंसाफ मांगते मांगते इंतकाल कर गई. नहीं मिला उसको इंसाफ. ये तो आपने सौगातें दिए देश को. और 10 साल में आपने सौगात के नाम पे सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ दिया भारतीय मुसलमान को, वो है नफरत. आज बताइए, मुसलमानों की हित की बात कर रहे हो आप. कितने मुसलमानों को आपने MLA बना दिया, कितने को आपने MP बना दिया. पहली मरतबा आज़ादी से अब तक हुआ है कि एक भी मुसलमान कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर नहीं है. तो ये सौगातें आप देने की बात छोड़ो. ये आप सिर्फ पोलराइज करने के चक्कर में बिहार इलेक्शन के पहले कर रहे हो, लेकिन इसको भी पब्लिक पूरी तरह से नकारेगी.
Right, sir. And since we were talking about Chhawa film, do you watch films?
Yes, I watch films.
Who is your favorite actor and actresses?
My favorite actors are many, but see, I live amongst them. I stay in Bandra with all the film stars. Say in my building also several of them live.
Yeah.
फेवरेट तो आज एक ही चल रहा है, जो सबका भी मेरा भी होगा, शायद मैडम का भी होगा, शाहरुख खान,
Shah Rukh Khan.
पठान,
Right, sir. Thank you
जो
so
मैं
much.
जो
Thank you
पठान।
so much.